The video you are currently watching
entirely AI generated
using the TopView AI Avatar Creator.
In this video, I will demonstrate just how easy it is.
If you're like me and you have the face for radio, then this actually could be just the thing you're looking for. Today I'm going to introduce you to a new AI generator called TopView, and as you can see, they have multiple different options here regarding what AI concepts they can bring to you. But what I'm going to concentrate on is this one right here, which is the video avatar. And that's what you saw in the beginning. I made multiple little avatars basically saying the same thing. And I will show you just how easy that is to do. Let's head over to topview.ai. I will leave the link in the description. And once you are here, this is the home page. And what we are after is a tool called Avatar. So we're going to go into the AI tools. You'll see here AI Avatar. You click on it once. Okay, so now you are at a new window. I've already created the account, so I'm simply going to start for free. And once again, a new window will pop up where you can see the multitudes of avatars to choose from. And there is quite a lot. You can see I can keep scrolling and scrolling and just keeps generating more and more avatars. I'm just going to pick a random avatar and we're going to use that as our demo. So let's just go back up here. Let's just pick anything randomly. Let's see what's it. All right, I like the looks of this girl. And what we're going to do here on this side, in this panel, we're going to write our text. Now I'm going to cheat. I'm too lazy to actually write it. So I'm going to use Voice Notepad and I'm going to make it write it for me. So here we go. Hey, it's Grips, and as always, thanks for joining me. In this tutorial, I will show you just how I created the avatar at the beginning of my video. All right, let's stop that. I'm just going to copy that and I'm going to bring that into this text box here, Control V, and now what we can do is generate that. So let's generate this. It gives you the options of the 720, 1080, watermark or no watermark. So obviously it is a subscription based system, but let's go export one. So it's very, very cheap. $1 to generate this. Over here, you'll start to see it generated, and it's about 4%, and I'll show you what it looks like once it's at 100%. So let's have a listen to the final result.
Hey, it's Grips, and as always, thanks for joining me in this tutorial. I will show you just how I created the avatar at the beginning of my video.
Well, I don't know about you, but I'm quite impressed with that. If I was watching Instagram or TikTok and that popped up, I wouldn't even think about that this is an AI generated model or it was an actual person. I'd have to second guess it. I have played around with this and you can slow down the speed so it doesn't sound so automated. For example, let's go over here.
The video you are currently watching is entirely AI generated using the TopView AI Avatar Creator. In this video, I will demonstrate just how easy it is.
So this person's speaking at a slower pace. What I was able to also do was put in commas and spaces, which then again slowed the avatar down even more. Now, there are a few that I actually picked and they spoke really, really fast, and no matter what I did, I couldn't change that pace. But thank God that they provide so many different types of avatars, slow speaking, accents, and it's absolutely quite brilliant. If you're really after something specific, you'll find it amongst all these avatars that they're offering. The cool feature that you could do also with the avatar is actually use your own audio. So over here we got text to audio. In other words, whatever I type in here, the avatar will say exactly that. But I can also pre-record audio, upload that audio file, and then the avatar will actually sound like me. And I'll give you a little demonstration. So let's go into TopView here. I'll go into my projects, and I've already done one here. I've randomly picked an avatar using my voice. Let's have a look at how that turned out. Hey, it's Grips, and as always, thanks for joining me. Now, believe it or not, I'm not actually real. That's right, I am 100% AI video generated. So there you go. It's not 100%, I must admit. And then again, I've got so many avatars. I believe there are about 500 avatars that you can choose from. So surely you should be able to pick something that could look quite close to what you want. Another cool feature is you yourself can also become an avatar. You can simply upload a video clip of yourself, then type in whatever text, and it'll do exactly what all these avatars did for you, is read that text as if you were the ones reading it for the first time. And that's a pretty cool feature here as well. As you see, I've already created 2 small avatars of myself. I can type whatever I want, If I'm lazy, I can just type it in there and let the avatar of me do all the work. And that is pretty cool. So head over to topview.ai and you will see that the avatar feature that I just promoted is just one of many features that they offer. They have a really cool avatar that promotes products. You can generate pictures, AI images, and then bring them to life using animation. And you will see there's a lot of stuff that TopView can do. Now, if you like this video and you do want to see how all the other features of TopView work, let me know, and I'm more than happy to make more reviews or tutorials showcasing the rest of topview.ai. And as always, thanks for joining.